Creating click-worthy thumbnails has never been more important. In 2025, competition on YouTube is insane. Your video is judged in milliseconds, and the thumbnail decides everything. But let's be real. Not everyone's a Photoshop wizard or has hours to waste tweaking pixels. That's where AI steps in. The latest tools in 2025 are completely changing the game. With just a few clicks and prompts, you can now generate professional, scroll-stopping thumbnails without any design experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the best AI tools available right now, how to use them step by step, and advanced tips for maximum clicks. Stick around till the end. I'll even show you how to test and optimize your thumbnails like a pro. Why should you even care about thumbnails? Because 90% of top-performing YouTube videos use custom thumbnails. It's your first impression in a crowded sea of content. A weak thumbnail? Scrolled past? A strong one? Clicked instantly. In 2025, AI has unlocked design power for everyone, even if you've never used Canva or Photoshop in your life. These tools not only make thumbnail creation faster, they make it smarter, analyzing trends, injecting emotion, and optimizing for engagement. If you want more views, more clicks, and more growth this year, mastering thumbnail creation through AI is no longer optional. It's essential. Before you dive into thumbnail creation, think about your niche. Why? Because every niche has its own thumbnail language. A gaming channel needs explosive visuals and bright neon text. A finance channel? Clean, bold fonts and expressions of shock or authority. AI tools can help, but only if you give them the right direction. Let's break it down. If you're in entertainment, tools like Pixels or Canva Magic Media are perfect. They specialize in face insertion and cinematic color tones. For educational or motivational content, Simplified and Vism offer more minimalist, brand-consistent templates. Tech reviewers use Adobe Express for advanced control and high-contrast thumbnails that pop. The point is, don't just generate a random image. Train the AI with niche-specific prompts. Say something like, male tech reviewer with surprise face, holding a phone in neon blue lighting. The more precise your niche, the better the results. Thumbnail style equals niche clarity plus visual psychology plus clickbait finesse. Nail this, and your AI-generated thumbnails will stand out every single time. Let's set you up with the right tools. First, head over to Canva Magic Media. It's free, powerful, and perfect for beginners. Just type a prompt like, happy woman opening a gift in vibrant colors. It'll instantly generate high-quality thumbnail images, customized with bold, short text and download. Next up, Pixels. It focuses on face-driven thumbnails, which are proven to get 30% more clicks. Upload your own face, or let the AI insert a realistic expression. Great for reaction content or storytelling niches. Then there's Simplified, a streamlined design platform that outputs mobile-optimized thumbnails. Perfect for quote-based or podcast-style channels. For pros, Adobe Express gives granular control. You can edit layers, shadows, fonts, everything. Now, if you want to keep it ultra-simple, use AppyPie or Veed. These are no login, fast, and ideal for non-designers. Combine these tools with AI-written prompts from ChatGPT or Jasper, and you're unstoppable. Create once, test multiple versions, and store your templates for future use. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You just need the right setup. If you're just starting out, here are the best tools tailored for beginners. First, Canva Magic Media. Its drag-and-drop interface, AI text-to-image, and integrated templates make thumbnail creation nearly effortless. Simply input a prompt like, businessman shocked by earnings graph, and it will create a vibrant visual in seconds. Then use Canva's font tools to overlay your text in 3 to 5 bold words max. Second is AppyPie Design. This one walks you through every step. Upload, prompt, preview, export. It's beginner-friendly to the core. No graphic skills needed. Third, try Hotpot.ai. Perfect if you're on a budget. It uses AI enhancement and lets you A/B test thumbnails with slight variations. Lastly, Veed is for those who want speed, no sign-up required, and thumbnail export in just 2 clicks. These tools are designed to take away the friction. You don't need a powerful PC, you don't need design sense, you just need an idea and a prompt. Whether you're on your first video or 50th, these AI tools lower the barrier so you can focus on content, not thumbnails. They're plug and play. And in 2025, that's exactly what you need to grow fast. Let's walk through creating your first AI-powered thumbnail using Canva Magic Media. Go to the AI image generator and type a prompt. Young man excited holding stacks of cash with yellow background. Choose one of the generated images. Pick the most expressive one. Emotion drives clicks. Then, click Edit in Canva. Add a headline like $5,000 in 5 days, using bold, clean typography. White or yellow text on a black shape works well for contrast. Add a border or glow effect to the image to make it pop. Now resize elements so they're centered, and leave space around the YouTube timestamp area. Don't let text get covered. Next, export it at 1280 by 720 and save it as a high-resolution JPG. Optional step: generate 2 to 3 variations with different expressions or text for A/B testing. Want an even faster method? Use Pixels. Upload a face image, enter a theme like YouTuber shocked by money results, and it does the heavy lifting. The AI will auto-generate a thumbnail layout with text, color schemes, and emotion-packed visuals. The result? A thumbnail that looks handcrafted by a professional, created in under 5 minutes. This is how creators are winning in 2025. After creating your thumbnail, uploading and optimizing it is crucial. Always upload the thumbnail before your video is published. This improves the initial click-through rate. In YouTube Studio, click Custom Thumbnail and upload your file. Next, make sure your thumbnail matches your title. If your title says $10,000 in 7 days, your thumbnail should visually reflect that. Text, image, emotion. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to analyze what's working in your niche. These tools even tell you which thumbnails drive the most clicks. Also, consider doing A/B testing using TubeBuddy's thumbnail test feature. Upload 2 thumbnails and let the tool show which performs better. Finally, avoid clutter. Too much text or too many elements kill engagement. Keep it clean, bold, and emotional. In 2025, mobile-first design is critical. Most people will see your thumbnail on a small screen. Make sure it pops even at a glance. Thumbnails indirectly boost your revenue. More clicks mean more views, leading to higher AdSense payouts. Plus, better thumbnails attract brand deals and affiliate partnerships. Some creators even sell AI thumbnail templates as digital products. In short, learning this skill doesn't just grow your channel. It can become a passive income stream. Thumbnails decide if your video gets clicked. In 2025, AI tools make it easy. No design skills needed. Just start with one, test a few versions, and learn what works. You're creating curiosity, not just images. Stay consistent, study winners, and improve. Your next viral video starts with the right thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Try 2 AI tools from this list and tell me in the comments which one worked best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss future growth hacks. Your next viral video might just be one thumbnail away.